Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to reply to a message on a WhatsApp web group on your PC using the new update. The first thing you'll need to do is open your WhatsApp account on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group chat that contains the message you want to reply to. Now here comes the new update feature. Hover over the message you want to reply to, and you'll see a little arrow appear on the right side. Click on the arrow to expand the options and select Reply. A text box will appear at the bottom of the screen for you to type your reply. Once you've written your message, simply click on the Send button to post your reply in the group chat. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a message on a WhatsApp web group using the new update. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.